Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Zelle from bank accounts. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zelle app, which of course I've done right here. So what's Zelle? Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner with Zelle. The money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So once you go through the process of creating your account by clicking on this Get Started, you're going to be asked to enter your accounts, find your bank, and enter your bank information to integrate your bank account into Zelle. So let's say you want to delete your Zelle account with your financial institution, or you want to remove it from your financial institution. I'd like you to know that you just need to do, so banks and credit unions have their own system in place for account deactivation. So Zelle has no direct control over that. So why you can deactivate your Zelle business account via some banking apps or website, other institutions require that you contact their help center directly to finalize the deactivation. So if your financial institution or your bank accepts direct deactivation, just navigate to the Zelle section or tab to deactivate Zelle through your banking app or website. Then look for an unenroll option. So if your bank or credit union app or your website does not have that button that has unenroll, you will need to contact them via the in-app support feature or by calling the customer support line. That's for the bank that you use, that you want to remove Zelle from. Okay, so reach directly to your bank to get that sorted out. Okay, and you can also contact the Zelle support line. All right, so how do you cancel Zelle? If you are enrolled with your debit card to the Zelle app, this is how you can reach the support team. So if you're enrolled with your debit card to Zelle app, please contact the customer support team to cancel your Zelle service, and you can reach our customer support team at this number. If you're using Zelle through your mobile banking app, please contact your bank or credit union to cancel your Zelle service. So that means if you want to remove Zelle from your bank account, then you have to reach directly to your bank, launch your bank mobile application, and find how you can reach out to the contact system or the contact team. Reach out to them and let them know that you want to remove Zelle from your bank account, and that's just going to be pretty much it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.